Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make fried bananas. First, we're going to talk about the ingredients. And of course, in this tutorial, we're going to need bananas. Of course, bananas. It's called fried bananas. And then we need flour that we're going to use for the mixture. And then we need some coconut milk. Have a teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now I'm going to give you the steps. The first thing you want to do is add the flour into one big whole pan. And then put half teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar. And then you add coconut milk in it and then you mix it. Mix it well.
And stir and mix it. Okay. Wow.
Mix it well until you get the mixture. The second thing you want to do is you cut the bananas. Of course, you don't want the whole thing. Yeah, sure. The second thing, you cut it, slice it. Oh wait, we don't want the skin too in it, doesn't it? So we peel the skin off. And we're going to go to the third step. The third step is you put the bananas into the mixture until it became better, fully better. And the fourth thing, you will make.
Take out.
Oh wait, I forgot what it's called. Oh yeah, hot oil. Of course. What do you use for to cook? Water? So we're going to put the hot oil in. And then once the oil is hot, we cook bananas. And we know when we cook the bananas, we need to make sure that it's golden brown. If it's still white, then we suck at cooking. And the last thing is the final touch. Of course. The final touch is just simple. A syrup. All over the bananas. And then it's ready to serve. See? It's quick and easy, isn't it? Any question? Right, I guess that's it.
It's enough?
Yes, I guess it's enough.
Okay.
I guess this is it.
Okay. The other one? Want to try like this one? Okay, it's enough? Okay, thank you.